Welcome to Hajian Ranch in Armenia. Here we are installing the roof on the new guest house, and the construction crew is up on top, and we can look from below. This is going to be the living room, and this will be the floor in the attic. And up there, you can see the sheet metal panels are being installed for the roof. Soon, the whole entire house will have the roof installed, so when it rains and snows, we'll be nice and dry inside the interior, so we can work in here during the winter. We have natural gas lines right there. We can install a natural gas heater. During the cold weather, it's minus 10 degrees today here. Very cold, but we'll be warm once the roof is finished being installed. They're screwing down all the sheet metal panels with those roofing screws into the wood. This is the kitchen. This will be the kitchen. And back here is one of the bedrooms. And we've installed plenty of wood up there to support the roof. Cross-braced it, braced it. So next, after the roof is done, this floor will be installed with the insulation here. And there is our 2,000-liter water tank for this house to have drinking water. And this wood out here, this is oak. This wood will be used for the second floor. It'll be nailed onto the subfloor, and it will become our second floor, and the workers are cutting the roofing panels to fit on top. Have a blessed day, my friends.